Tired of endless searching for your bank branch? Ever found yourself wondering, where in the world is the nearest Patriot Bank location in Connecticut or New York? If so, you're not alone. Navigating the world of banking, especially when you need to find a physical branch, can sometimes feel like a treasure hunt without a map. But what if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive guide to Patriot Bank's presence across these two key states? What if I could save you time, frustration, and those dreaded wrong turns? Today, we're diving deep into the geographical footprint of Patriot Bank. This isn't just about listing addresses, it's about understanding their community focus, their commitment to local areas, and how their branch network is designed to serve you. Patriot Bank, headquartered in Stamford, Connecticut, has a long-standing history of serving communities across both Connecticut and neighboring New York. Since its founding in 1994, their mission has been clear: to help local families and businesses thrive. This community-centric approach is reflected directly in their branch strategy, focusing on accessible locations within the very neighborhoods they serve. So, whether you're a longtime customer or considering Patriot Bank for your financial needs, knowing where their branches are located is crucial. Let's begin our journey by exploring Patriot Bank's extensive presence in Connecticut. As their home state, it's no surprise that Connecticut boasts the majority of their branch locations, primarily concentrated in Fairfield and New Haven counties. Patriot Bank is deeply embedded in these communities, offering a range of services from personal checking and savings accounts to business loans and wealth management. Their branches aren't just transactional hubs, they're designed to be welcoming spaces where you can speak with knowledgeable professionals who understand the local economic landscape. One of their key Connecticut locations is, of course, their corporate headquarters in Stamford, Connecticut, located at 900 Bedford Street. This is more than just an administrative office, it serves as a central point for their operations and a significant branch for the city's residents and businesses. Stamford, a bustling economic hub, benefits greatly from Patriot Bank's presence, offering convenient access for many. Moving beyond Stamford, you'll find a strong network of branches designed to serve various communities. In Fairfield County, a highly populated and economically vibrant region, Patriot Bank has established a significant footprint. You'll find branches in Darien, Connecticut, a charming coastal town. The Darien branch serves its residents with a focus on personalized banking. Fairfield, Connecticut, another prominent town in Fairfield County, offering convenient banking services to its diverse population. Greenwich, Connecticut, known for its affluent community and business activity, the Greenwich branch provides comprehensive financial solutions. Milford, Connecticut, situated on the Long Island Sound, the Milford branch caters to the needs of this active shoreline community. Norwalk, Connecticut, a vibrant city with a mix of residential and commercial areas, the Norwalk branch is strategically located to serve a broad demographic. Orange, Connecticut, just west of New Haven, the Orange branch offers a convenient option for those in the greater New Haven area. Westport, Connecticut, a picturesque town known for its arts and culture, the Westport branch aligns with the community's upscale lifestyle. These Fairfield County locations are strategically chosen to provide accessibility and a localized banking experience. Each branch is staffed with professionals eager to assist with everything from opening a new account to navigating complex financial decisions. They understand the nuances of the local economy, which is a significant advantage for both individuals and businesses. Beyond Fairfield County, Patriot Bank also extends its reach into New Haven County, further solidifying its commitment to Connecticut. While the primary concentration remains in Fairfield County, their presence in New Haven County demonstrates their dedication to serving a wider segment of the state's population. It's important to remember that while the exact number of branches can fluctuate due to business decisions, Patriot Bank consistently maintains a robust network within these key Connecticut counties. They aim to be where their customers need them most, making banking convenient and accessible. Now, let's shift our focus to the Empire State. While Patriot Bank's presence in New York is more focused compared to Connecticut, it's still significant, particularly for those in the Westchester County area. Patriot Bank recognizes the interconnectedness of the greater New York metropolitan area and has established a strategic branch to serve this vital region. Currently, Patriot Bank maintains a single, yet crucial, branch in Scarsdale, New York. Located at 495 Central Park Avenue, this Scarsdale branch serves as their gateway into New York, catering to individuals and businesses in Westchester County. Scarsdale, known for its upscale residential areas and thriving commercial activity, provides an ideal location for Patriot Bank to extend its community-focused banking services. This branch offers the same comprehensive range of personal and business banking solutions that you'd find in their Connecticut locations, ensuring a consistent and high-quality customer experience. The decision to focus their New York presence primarily on Scarsdale highlights Patriot Bank's targeted approach. Rather than spreading thin across the entire state, they've chosen a location where they can genuinely make an impact and serve a specific, vibrant community effectively. This singular focus allows them to dedicate resources and expertise to meeting the unique financial needs of Scarsdale and its surrounding areas. So, to recap the primary branch locations. In Connecticut, primarily Fairfield and New Haven counties. Stamford, corporate headquarters. Darien. Fairfield. Greenwich. Milford. Norwalk. Orange. Westport. And other locations within Fairfield and New Haven counties, reflecting their extensive network. In New York, Westchester County. Scarsdale. It's also worth noting that beyond their physical branches, Patriot Bank also leverages technology to provide convenient access to banking services. Their website, bankpatriot.com, is an invaluable resource for finding the most up-to-date information on branch locations, hours of operation, and available services. They also offer online banking and mobile banking solutions, allowing you to manage your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds from virtually anywhere. This digital infrastructure complements their physical branches, offering flexibility and convenience for their customers. When considering a bank, accessibility is a key factor, and Patriot Bank understands this implicitly. Their strategic placement of branches in densely populated and economically active areas of Connecticut and New York demonstrates their commitment to being present where their customers live and work. Whether you prefer the personalized service of a physical branch or the convenience of online banking, Patriot Bank aims to provide a seamless and supportive financial experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.